channel. I am Dr. Aisha Desai, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about one simple tool that you can use right now to release any sort of fear or anxiety that you have in your life. Fears and anxieties occupy every single area of your life. You can have a fear about your relationships, like feeling unwanted or feeling not valued enough, or feeling misunderstood in your relationships, or feeling abandoned and not loved and not chosen, or not feeling respected enough in your relationships. Or it can be in your career or in your finances. Like, let's say for example, fear of not passing the exam with the marks that you wanted to, fear of not finding your perfect job, fear of finding the perfect job but not excelling much in it, fear of being removed from your job, fear of not finding another perfect job, fear of not progressing forward in your life. The fears are there at every single step. Fear of when you have achieved something, the fear of losing it. You have so many types of fears in your life. And not just your career. Fear can also be related to your health or the health of someone you love. You can have a fear of catching a particular medical condition, or you can have a fear of losing your loved ones. It can be anything. So if you have any sort of fear or anxiety, then this simple tool is going to help you shift it completely. Now, to understand this tool in more detail, I want you all to understand where does this fear come from actually, and why do you feel this fear. Let's say you have a fear of the unknown, or fear of the unexpected, or fear of the future, right? Now understand, why did you develop this fear in the first place? Maybe it's because in the past, whenever you were going to some unknown or unexpected place, or whenever you were in an unexpected situation, something bad happened to you. You were maybe criticized by someone, or maybe you had a very terrible experience, right? So understand, where did this fear exactly come from? Or is it because someone else had it and that's why you have mirrored whatever they have told to you? You have started accepting that, oh, if this happened to them, it can also happen to me, because they are someone I trust or I deeply respect. Because this person has told this to me, it has to be true. So you started believing their fear also. You started believing in something which is not serving you, right? So once you understand where this fear has come from, now it's time to release it. To release it, you need to understand that you have believed in the wrong possibility. Fear is nothing but a belief in the wrong possibility, right? If you believe that something negative is going to happen, that's a wrong possibility. It can happen or it cannot happen also, right? But you have believed in it very strongly due to XYZ reason. So if you keep believing this, it cannot change, right? So all you have to do is start believing in a new possibility. Now, how can this happen? How can you all of a sudden say, okay, I'm not scared of the darkness, I'm not scared of my future, I'm not scared of the unknown? How can I shift it? How can you completely start believing in a new reality? You can't. You can't directly jump from being scared and anxious about a particular situation to being completely happy in this next second itself, right? But what you can do is take baby steps. You cannot climb an entire mountain at once, but you can start climbing one by one, right? So this technique or this tool is meant to help you climb those stairs, climb those baby steps. Take those baby steps so that you can climb that mountain and you can get rid of your fear, right? So what you have to do in this technique is start by believing in the new possibility by using very basic and very general statements. For example, this sentence works the best in all cases. You can also try to use it for your case also. And the sentence is, I can figure out a way to shift my fear. You can start by saying this simple sentence, I can figure out a way, or I can find a way to shift my fear of the future, of the unknown, of not being loved, of the darkness, of not being successful enough, whatever your fear is. I can find a way. There is a solution. So I can find a way. Or I can be provided with the solution that I need by someone else. I choose to believe in this new reality. I can be guided to a better possibility. I can be more happy. I can shift from this fearful state to a better state. I can find something which can help me to shift this fear completely. I can find a new perspective of looking at this scenario. All of these sentences that I just said right now, they are meant to be used as affirmations so that you can shift your fear instantly. Now what this helps you to do is to see a completely new possibility about your fear. For example, as I said, if you have fear of the unknown or unexpected, what you can say is, I can find a way to feel good about an unexpected situation. I can think of a different way of looking at this scenario. I can. When you say I can, that means you are giving yourself the power to find a solution. Usually what happens is that whenever we are in a state of fear or anxiety, we feel powerless because we have believed in the wrong possibility and we believe that that is true. But now the power is in our own hands and you have all the power. You can find a way to shift this fear completely. So when you say I can, you're giving yourself that power. You are starting to believe in your own potential to find a new perspective. You can be guided. You can find a new perspective. You can shift your fear completely. That's like the most important step, to believe in a new possibility. And even if there are times when you can't, or when you feel that I can't find a way, I cannot see the situation in a new way, at that time, take a step back and start saying to yourself, even if I can't, I know God can. God can see this situation, or universe, or my inner beings, they can see this situation in a new light. They can find a way to shift my situation completely. I trust the God, I trust universe, I can trust universe to find the solution to my problem or the solution to my fear. I can let go of trying to control the outcome for a while, and I can surrender and trust universe that they will help me to shift my belief, help me to shift my fear completely. Right? And when you say that, you will instantly feel better. And that is because you're trying too hard. Whenever you're anxious, you're trying too hard. So it's time to let go of that fear. It's time to let go of controlling things to be your way whenever you're fearful. Right? Just let go and start believing in a new possibility first. Once you do that, you won't need to control any person, any situation in any way. You will trust and you will believe in your own self. And once you start believing in yourself, fear cannot stay where your belief stays. So if your belief is there, your fear is gone. So if this video helped you to shift your fear or anxiety in any way, even by 1%, then definitely do give it a like and share it with someone else who also needs to hear this and shift their fear, right? And definitely do comment below, what can you start believing in it? What is your new possibility that you are going to start believing in from today? Comment that below. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon if you haven't already, so that you can be notified every single time I post a new video. See you all in the next video. Until then, happy manifesting, guys.